Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. If I look just like this in the last video you saw, mind your business. That is neither here nor there. But girl, just I'm getting this content in, okay? But today we're gonna talk about how I went blonde. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at Always Amaya, which is everything, all my social media is Always Amaya. I went blonde. I had like an orangey color before. I was really tired of it. I just couldn't stand the color, and I've always wanted to go blonde, so I was like, why not? I definitely waited till my hair was a little healthier, and then I decided to go blonde. So a little background, I've dyed my hair like every color of the rainbow. Roy, G, Viv. Yeah, I've definitely done red, orange, yellow. I've done green, not on purpose. The blue that I do fades out to the green. And then I've done purple. The only color I can think of that I have not done is pink. And I don't think I plan on doing pink, but it'd be cute. I don't know if I got the skin tone for it. I'd have to do like a good pink. But anyways, the blonde has definitely been the most dramatic change. It was definitely like I had to get used to it. But let's get into the part that you guys probably here for, is how I recovered from damage. When I left the salon, my hair looked like this. I was really happy with the color, but I was like, where are my curls? Where are you? Where are you hiding? It's not a game anymore. But I don't have really good luck with hair salons, so every time I leave the salon, especially in Jacksonville, I don't usually leave the salon like, oh my gosh, look at my hair, it looks great. I usually have to go home and do it myself. So I was like, I can fix this. I can fix this. I had faith in myself. I knew I could make it look better than what it was, but I didn't know how much better it can get from there. So I went home, and from there I did an Olaplex treatment, and then I deep conditioned. I don't like to mix deep conditioners, but I did this time. I did because I feel like I needed moisture and protein. So I mixed the blueberry, the reparative hair mask by Curls, and then I did that with the mint and Babasoon oil deep conditioner by Mael. I mixed those together and I put it in my hair after the Olaplex, and then I washed my hair, and then my hair looked like this. You have deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is vital to the overall health of your hair. It will change your life, which it did to mine in literally a couple hours. So then after that, I literally just woke up the next day, I refreshed my hair, and my curls look like this picture right here. So it's really not much I did. I know it's probably like depressing, but a lot of people were asking me what I did, the products I used. What did I use? I used the Shea Moisture, I have it right here. I have it right here. I don't have all the products right next to me, so you're getting spoiled right now. It just happened to be right next to me. I used this Leave-In by Shea Moisture, and I'm pretty sure I used the Not Your Mother's gel, the Curl Talk gel. And those were my results. I literally refreshed with some water and a little bit more product, and then I refreshed my curls, and my curls look like that. But that's to show what the Olaplex does. Olaplex, it definitely saved my life. Olaplex is not a deep conditioner, it is not a protein treatment. Olaplex is a bond builder, so you have pores in your hair, and especially because I have high porosity hair, mine are open, so it's very easy in, easy out. So what the Olaplex does is go into those little holes and fills in the holes to correct and like strengthen your hair. So it's literally, when it says it's a bond builder, it's building those bonds, forming those bonds back so your hair can be stronger, healthier, all that great stuff. You can even use Olaplex if your hair is not damaged.
Hey, it's me, your skin. I'm burned and craving hydration. My secret? New CeraVe Hydrating Sunscreen. Reflects the sun's rays.
Olaplex is not only for damaged hair. You can definitely use it if your hair is very healthy. It can make it even healthier. It's just really, I use it as a pre-poo. It's a great pre-poo. It's just a great OG curly hair product. It is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. It definitely changed my whole, girl, it definitely aided in that process of getting my hair from the damaged state it was in to what it looks like now. I recorded this video like twice now, and I absolutely hated it, and my hair was out so you can see it. I'll insert some clips of my hair and what it looks like now, but my hair definitely made a 360 and it was definitely for the best. So if you recently dyed your hair and you need like a little pick me up, I would definitely recommend Olaplex, and I would definitely recommend deep conditioning your hair. Especially if you deep condition, you might want to deep condition twice a week, at least for a little bit, just to see, like, just to get back on it. That's what I did to recover the health of my hair. From this picture to this picture, I used Olaplex, I deep conditioned, and that was it. But a lot of you guys were asking me questions on my Instagram, so that is a secret. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, go make sure to check those out, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys are staying safe and keep deep conditioning. Toodles.
Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.